What kind of automated factory have you seen? Hi guys, I'm Sasa. Do you know what's this in my hands? Bullets? No. It's not that scary, but it's just as powerful. This is location pin. The location pin is used for positioning or to limit the freedom of an object. Don't underestimate it. It can make the workpiece less wear and more efficient positioning. It's applied very frequently. So how is it produced? Let's go to the location pin workshop of Yiheda to find out. These are raw materials for location pin: carbon steel, stainless steel, resin, etc. Then, according to the product type, the raw materials will be processed into various standard shapes: round, diamond, step, etc. by CNC lathes, turning and milling machines. Look, there is a lot of huge machines here. They are century machines. Through them, compound processing such as turning, milling, drilling, and tapering can be completed at the same time, greatly improving processing efficiency and processing accuracy. Follow me, let's go to see the most important step in location pin: heat treatment. Depending on the material, we put the location pin into a customized furnace for a certain period of time. Then put it in mineral oil for rapid cooling, and then temper in a temporary furnace. Special materials need to be cryogenically treated. The main purpose of this is to increase the hardness, wear resistance, and damage resistance of the product to extend its service life. However, heat-treated workpiece can develop black oxide on the surface, so this sandblasting machine can make the appearance more uniform. How toy! Next, let's look at the finishing process. According to the product requirements, we can choose CNC cylindrical grinder, centralized grinder, surface grinder, and the precision punch grinder to grind the products with high precision. Here, do you feel that although the location pin is small, but the process is not simple at all? Finally, there is a surface treatment such as nickel and chrome plating to enhance the surface hardness and the rust resistance. It's worth mentioning that the inspection is not done at the end, but self-inspection during each link, and then sent to the test room for final inspection. If they pass the inspection, they will appear in any automation equipment that needs positioning, such as stamping machines, injection molding machines, etc. And they will undertake the functions of positioning, guiding, and connecting. Okay, that's the end of today's video. I'm Sasa. Want to know about Automation Factory? Subscribe to keep following us. See you next time!